Franz Grosser-Reuken is in his 80s. The retired physician is still on the go. Years ago, he contracted prostate cancer. He was cured, but the radiation therapy damaged his bladder. A long, difficult period followed until he went on the internet and discovered hyperbaric oxygen therapy.
The only alternative would have been surgery and an external outlet from the bladder. And I didn't want to agree to that. That's why I've now been trying this therapy. It's been such a success that after just 10 treatments, I had no more bleeding at all.
At Freiburg's Pressure Chamber Centre, Patrick Odenbright is preparing patients for their treatment. First, he makes sure they've put their valuables and pressure-sensitive items like cell phones and lighters in a locker. The patients spend 2 hours in the pressurized chamber. The oxygen level slowly builds up. As a result, the patients have to equalize the pressure in their ears. When the right pressure is reached, the patients are breathing nearly pure oxygen. The treatment is suitable for disorders in which bones and tissues are oxygen deprived, including the effects of radiotherapy, poorly healing wounds, bone disease, and even tinnitus.
The sooner you begin treatment, the better the chance of a cure. With tinnitus and acute hearing loss, it's between 70% and 80% if you start treatment early. With bone necrosis, the rates are even higher. In stages 1 and 2, we have up to a 90% chance of a cure.
These patients are being treated for agonizing ringing in their ears. After about 8 sessions, they've begun to notice a difference.
It was amazing that after a few days it had disappeared in the right ear. And last night it was briefly gone in the left.
I'm quite convinced that it's going to disappear after the 8th or 10th treatment, and I can live free of tinnitus.
Franz Grosser-Reuken has completed 25 sessions in the pressure chamber. His inflamed bladder is healed. Not only that, his hearing has improved since his oxygen therapy, and he feels great.
I
can exercise as much as I want. I can cycle again and do everything that was once out of the question. This summer, I even got a sports badge.
Franz Grosser-Reuken is feeling fine again, thanks to his hyperbaric